What's good, Souls of Thoughts? Your boy is back. I hope everybody had a good Super Bowl Sunday. Welcome back. I know it's been about a week or so that I've been on YouTube. But before we get started, if you haven't already, like, share, comment, and subscribe. The station, not the station, man, rusty after a week. The channel is Souls of Thought. That's my podcast behind me, Black Souls Podcast. So if you're ever interested in listening to that, you can go check that out. But again, my YouTube channel is Souls of Thought. We're there to talk about just day-to-day lifestyle stuff, shoes, running, anything that kind of comes to mind. But today we're here with another unboxing. And you can already see by the label, the brand, Adidas or Adidas, however they want us to say it now. But the great thing about this is this shoe was a steal. I have never ran into Adidas Supernovas, but if you go online, the Supernovas right now run about $100. So one of my big tips for my new runners, because I kind of consider myself still a new runner, even though I got a lot of miles under me. I'm just now educating myself on footwear, running, things of that nature. But look at outlets for steals. I'm gonna do a video about some steals that I got like a year or so ago in Vegas at a Ross for another pair of Adidas. But these Adidas right here are the Adidas Supernovas, and they are the Adidas Supernovas TYO, so it's short for Tokyo. This is actually a special edition Supernova Adidas that came out. I'll give you guys a little of the details from what they talk about online with this shoe. But again, the Supernovas run about $100. I got this shoe from Adidas outlet here in the DC area. I see them in Dallas as well. But I told myself, just wait till you get home and maybe you'll get an even better deal. So at the Adidas outlet right now, if you're near the DC area, the Supernovas Tokyos are $69 with an additional 50% off. And if you go to adidas.com, and if you're a first responder, military member, nursing, those type of categories that come up, you get an additional 20% off. So I got a $100 shoe for close to around $29. Again, a $100 shoe for around $29. Good running shoe too. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing. And here they are, brand new out of the box. I'm actually gonna put them on tonight to go for a run. I love the detail. The color is actually a pink. So very dope, especially around like breast cancer awareness time, those type of things. Great time, great shoe. It's always good to have a shoe that matches that color. Again, I wear a size 12, and this is a size 12 in men. Tried them on, they are super light when I try them on at the store. From what they say online, I think it's around only 8.5 ounces, if I'm not mistaken. So, like I said again, a very light shoe. Feel great. Super excited to get them on. Adidas are always good shoes to run in. I'm a big Saucony person as well, and I'm kind of getting back into Nike, but I am gonna do another review on this as well. I got other shoes I have to do some 50-mile reviews on once I get them up to 50 miles, but I was not paid for this at all. But again, these are your Adidas Supernovas Tokyos. $100 value shoe for only around $29 if you go to an outlet, and it'll be like $30 if you're not a first responder or military member. But again, you still can't beat a $100 shoe for around 30 bucks. So you're saving like $70 again. And I think you can catch certain colors online at the same price. It just won't be the additional percentage off if you buy them online. So you can get them for the price of the $69, but again, if you go to an outlet and find them, you can get the additional 50% off. So I want to tell you guys a little bit about the shoe, and then before I let you go, so hopefully you guys get a chance to check these out. Hopefully you like these. I love the colorway. I'm all about colors, so this is dope. Definitely gonna stand out on the trails once it gets back sunny and people are actually out. Right now, it's only a few of us faithful runners still running in the cold and the snow. But again, these are your Adidas SUPERNOVA Tokyo, or the box has it short for TYO for Tokyo. So yeah, here you go. Let me give you guys a few stats on those. I got my favorite running cap on. It has a little hole at the top. I love it though. So the SUPERNOVA Tokyo shoes it was created. I don't want to butcher the female artist name, so I'm not. But if you go online to adidas.com, you can look up the shoe. But this was arts meets sports. It said the design is a collaboration between Adidas and the Tokyo artist, known for her bold geometric styles and a non-traditional Japanese art. Again, this is a regular fit shoe. Responsive boost in the midsole. Cushion running shoe. Again, it weighs about 8.5 ounces. Rubber outsole. And the color they call it is signal pink with silver metallic and cloud white. So I'm definitely looking forward to running in this shoe. I love like responsive shoes as well. So these should be good, but hopefully you guys enjoy. Again, if you have watched this long, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to Souls of Thought. Also, if you get a chance to go to Spotify, Apple, any of those podcasting areas, and look up Black Souls Podcast for just more information and more content. But again, thank you guys for watching. And as usual, you know what I mean? Call God. Your boy's out.